What's going up, YouTube? This is your girl Shay today, coming to you back with another video. Just wanted to let you guys know, stay tuned if you want to see how I achieve this look here. I will let you know in detail. Video coming up, stay tuned. This is your girl Shay today, and I'm coming to you with my first makeup tutorial. Well, not a tutorial if it's my first time. I'm going to teach y'all, but you can see what I'm doing. But anyway, yeah. So we're going to go in and start it off. This may be a voiceover because I don't want to make it too long and draggy for you guys. So let's start. What's going on, YouTube? This is your girl Shay today. Thank you guys for joining my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And I just want to give you guys a quick little warning. In the midst of filming this, well, uploading this, a big portion of my footage was not uploaded. So you will see during the video that I do apply my foundation, but you will not see me applying my blush or my contour because for some reason that footage was missing. So I'm not going to sit here and ramble through the whole video. You guys go ahead and sit back, relax, and watch, and I will see you later.